Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the secrets to a healthier, more vibrant life. Today, I'm diving into an incredible anti-aging secret that's been around for centuries, a practice that combines spirituality and science in the most fascinating way. Ramadan fasting and its amazing effects on your cells. Intrigued? You should be, because this is not just about abstaining from food and drink. Let's get into it. Ramadan fasting isn't just a spiritual journey. It's a holistic approach to rejuvenating your body from the inside out. During Ramadan, Muslims around the world fast from dawn until sunset, and this practice has profound effects on cellular health. It's a powerful tool for cellular repair, thanks to a process called autophagy. But what exactly is autophagy, and why is it so important? Autophagy is your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells, making way for new, healthier ones. Think of it as a natural detoxification process that happens at the cellular level. Think of it as your body's natural detox. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health and longevity. Studies have shown that fasting can trigger this magical process, leading to numerous health benefits. When you fast, your body goes into a repair mode, focusing on cleaning up and regenerating cells. This not only helps in staying young, but also boosts your overall health. This not only helps in staying young, but can also protect against diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. Imagine a simple practice that can have such profound effects on your health. Amazing, right? The benefits of Ramadan fasting go beyond spiritual fulfillment. They extend to physical well-being and disease prevention. Now let's talk about breaking that fast, Iftar. This is a crucial part of the fasting process. To maximize the benefits of autophagy, it's crucial to fuel your body with the right nutrients. What you eat when you break your fast can make a big difference. Antioxidant-rich foods are your best friends here. These foods help combat oxidative stress and support the autophagy process. Start with a bowl of mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These little powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. They are delicious and incredibly beneficial for your health. Next, add leafy greens like spinach and kale to your plate. These greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support cellular health and repair. Incorporating these into your diet can significantly enhance the benefits of fasting. You can throw in some nuts and seeds for healthy fats and extra nutrients. These are great for providing sustained energy and supporting overall health. And don't forget to hydrate. Water is essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your skin glowing. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining the benefits of fasting. Water is essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your skin glowing. Proper hydration supports all bodily functions and enhances the detoxification process. Herbal teas like green tea or chamomile can be great options too. They provide additional antioxidants and can help soothe your digestive system after a day of fasting. So, to recap, embrace the fasting, trigger that autophagy, and break your fast with antioxidant-rich foods. This combination can lead to a healthier, more youthful you. Your body will thank you with healthier cells and a youthful glow. The benefits of this practice are truly remarkable and can transform your health. If you loved this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. Stay young, stay healthy, and keep shining. See you next time. Remember, your health is your wealth, and we're here to help you make the most of it.